Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, relationship and career situation, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity, guys, I have a fairy tale special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So you can watch that may give you clarity, Virgos. So let's start with these cards first. We have Man, Lilies, Sun. Virgos, with these cards I see that you are someone really focused, determined. You have a strong willpower, and whatever you choose for yourself, you see to it that you complete it. You go the distance, do everything whatever needs to be done, and you are a very devoted and devoted to your work. The same way you are also a person devoted to your relationship. So whatever actions you do it the right way with confidence, and you are someone really talented, guys. And Virgos, today I see you that you are in a connection with this person. You love them, this person loves you. You have that mutual love, respect and caring and understanding. A deep connection is there, and you have a beautiful intimacy with this person, and things are going in a very positive way, guys, for your relationship. And even in your career situation, you are seeing abundance and prosperity in your life today, Virgos, and things are going in a very positive way. And I also see that this person you are in connection with, they may be your karmic connection or your soulmate, guys. That may be the reason for that level of communication and bonding. Even at the first time you met them, you would have felt a familiarity with this person. That just shows that they are your karmic connection. So you would have known them in your past lives, the way they speak or the way they behave. You feel really familiar with them and close to them, guys. And there is an incredible closeness you both share. And things are going well in your career and in your relationship, guys. And you have great goals and aspirations for your life today, guys. You are also interested in a relationship. Maybe you are interested in finding someone, or you have found someone and you are interested to proceed to talk to that person or propose to them. Or maybe someone is interested in you and they are coming towards you and they are open to romance, guys. If you are seeing someone interesting, and if you feel that maybe you don't know whether they are also interested, with these cards I can say that they are also interested, guys, in coming towards you, and they are also interested in a commitment and a committed relationship. So let's see what is a card specific to your relationship. So we have Garden. So looks like things are going well for you. You are maybe planning to spend time together, understand this person you love, and this person also loves to spend time with you. Maybe you are going out for a party or having dinner together, spending time with friends or family. So some kind of a get together or meetings or some leisure activities you are involved in, and you are enjoying this time you spend with people, guys. And maybe you love to interact with this person and they love to interact with you, and this may be the time for that communication in your relationship, guys. So this is the right time you need to communicate. Maybe they want to tell you everything, or you want to tell them everything about you and build that beautiful understanding in this relationship, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Bear. So in your career situation, Virgos, there is someone trying to control you or dominate your actions or decisions, but you need not worry, guys. This person may have that honest intention towards you. They are trustworthy and reliable, and they are doing something or saying things that are good for you, so you can listen to them. But if it is otherwise, also you need not worry, because the card here, it is something very positive, guys, the Sun. So whatever negative things are happening in your life today, Virgos, all that is going to resolve or disappear. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you, so you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for your what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you, it may be your family members or friends, whoever it is, they are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened, and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your love, true love, will come to you. For sure, it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.